Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP section. This is To Do, Learn PHP. Before moving on, let's take a quick look at a working PHP application. We're going to show you an example of PHP being used on the backend to create dynamic websites sent to the browser. When the visitor to the website, in this case you, modifies the task list, a request is made for a new web page. The PHP code runs again in the backend and delivers a new version of the site with updated HTML. The to-do list example is frequently used when demonstrating a framework or technology. It provides a way to exhibit how the CRUD, create, read, update, and delete behaviors are implemented using a specific technology. Within a to-do app, the functionality is typically add new items to the list, create, view the existing list, read, change the completion status of each item, update, remove items from the list, delete. Our instructions say, try out the functionality of the To-Do app in the browser window. Don't worry about understanding all of the code yet. This is just to give you an idea of how PHP works. As you learn more PHP, come back to this example and think about how you could create a similar application. Type something in the box and add it to your task list. See how you can create a whole list of items? Now mark some of them complete and delete some of them. Continue to the next exercise when you are ready. Let's take a look at that and see how that works. So here we have our to-do list. This is the code. Right now it might seem daunting, but we will be learning how to do all this in the next lessons. For now, let's go over here and add something to our to-do. Add it, current to-dos, task, learn PHP. We could complete or delete it. Let's do one more. Add it, and it does add it. We see it modify the page and update it to have our new task. Let's click one, complete, and we do see it update it, and now it says learn to program task complete. We could delete it, and it does update the page and remove it. So the main thing you should be taking from this lesson is CRUD. CRUD is create, read, update, and delete. They show us an example here of a to-do list, and in the to-do list we see CRUD behavior. We're able to create new tasks, read our tasks, update them, and delete. Whenever we modify our task list, a request is made for a new web page. The PHP code runs again in the backend and delivers a new version of the site with updated HTML. As long as you understand create, read, update, and delete, and how we use our PHP to make changes in the backend and deliver new code to our front end, then you're getting this lesson, and we'll learn more in the next ones. I'll see you there.